Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and I am here to share with you that Cricut is doing their Christmas in July sale. And this is exclusive to Cricut Access members, so you do have to have a Cricut Access membership. But don't fret, if you are not already a member, you can sign up for a membership. You can even sign up for it for just 1 month if you want, and take advantage of this 50% off supply sale that is for Cricut Access members only right now. So this is something that Cricut does in July every year, and it's a great time to stock up on supplies that you've already used up or to try some new things you haven't tried before. I want to explain how this works though. So you have to have a Cricut Access membership to be able to get in on this 50% off supply deal. And there's also some machine discounts I'm going to show you. So you have to be a Cricut Access member. But Access members also get an additional 10% off the materials when you purchase it. So you're getting an additional 10% off. Plus, when you go to checkout, if you use my promo code SMQD, you'll get an extra 10% off on top of that, plus free economy shipping. And so those really add up quickly. Now, if you are purchasing machines and you're not getting the other supplies or whatever, you can use a promo code that's July Ship, and you get free economy shipping and flat rate shipping in Canada. Okay, so those are pretty cool deals too. I really appreciate it when you use my link to purchase. Because I get a commission back from Cricut that helps me continue to make tutorial videos for you guys on how to use all of these things. And my promo code gives you an extra, the economy shipping and the extra discount. But my purchase link that I provide where you see my video posted lets me get the commission from Cricut without any extra cost to you. So make sure you're using my purchase link. You can use that link anytime to purchase anything at Cricut.com, and I appreciate you doing that. Okay, so let's take a look at the sale now that we kind of know what all this is about. This is for Cricut Access members, all right? Now, the first thing I want to point out, though, is if you go underneath Cricut Access membership, if you are not already a member and you want to sign up, there's 3 levels of membership, okay? So there's the fonts membership, which is you just get access to the fonts, not the cutting files, okay? Or there's a standard membership, which is a cool deal, and you can either purchase this on a monthly basis or it's billed annually, okay? And you get a little bit of a discount if you pay for it annually. But you get 10% off of purchases on Cricut.com, including machines, accessories, materials, and more. All right, that's awesome. But if you get the premium membership, which is just a little bit more, you get all of the fonts, all of the cutting files like you do with the standard membership, and that 10% off, but you get an additional 10% off on licensed font images, ready-to-make products, and the 10% for the purchasing of the materials and machines and accessories, but you get the 50% off of designer fonts, images, and ready-to-make projects, okay? So when you buy any digital image sets, you would get 50% off of those. If you buy the digital Cricut mystery box, you would get 50% off of the digital mystery box, which is awesome. And you get free economy shipping anytime you place an order over $50. And you get priority member care, if you need to contact Cricut about a problem. Anyway, so those are the levels of membership. If you're not already a member, it's certainly worth it to do that. And particularly during the month of July, if you're not a member right now, sign up at least for one of the monthly memberships so you can take advantage of the 50% off sale. All right, so that's enough about that. Let's see what's on sale. I'm going to start with the machines because there's some really good deals out here. So Cricut has put the Cricut Maker on sale for Access members with a 20% discount. And they've also put together this special bundle, so you can take a look at that. And there are some deals on the Cricut Explore Air 2 machines. So that beautiful Flamingo Pearl machine, there is 2 different bundles here. that are fantastic deals. So I'll let you guys look at all that. But so there's machine sale deals. And also under Essentials, the Bright Pad is also part of this sale, and it is a $20 discount on the Cricut Bright Pad, which helps you with weeding your vinyl. I love it. And the other machine that is on sale as part of this is also a $20 discount on the Cricut Easy Press. So those are all fantastic things that Cricut is offering. Is a good deal for us. And then let's look at accessories. So all of the Cricut mats are on sale. So now's a great time to stock up on your Cricut mats because, you know, we go through those. And with all the additional discounts, that's a really cool thing. The blades are on sale. Now, what I do want to point out and remind you is that if it's a new item to Cricut, it is not part of the sale, okay? But things that are existing products, like even this rotary cutter that was just announced a couple of months ago, it is on sale. So it's just the new things that are just now coming out that aren't part of the sale. But all the cutting blades are on sale and so forth. So just so you know why some things are part of the sale and some things aren't. There are some tools that I definitely wanted to point out to you. And let's see, I think they were on the 3rd page at the Cricut shop. Yes. Okay. So if you're new to Cricut, you need some tools. So these essential toolkits, and there's different color sets, will give you the paper trimmer and some replacement blades. And for the paper trimmer, the basic tool set that you need is going to be part of this deal. So those are really cool, and that's a great price. The other thing that I love that's part of tools is the Cricut sewing kit. Those scissors are well worth way more than the $30 it normally costs, and now it's on sale for $15. Plus, not only do you get some of the other sewing items, but you get this adorable, it's a little Cricut, it looks like a Cricut maker machine, but it's the pin cushion. So there you go. And I cannot live without my extra large scraper, and for 50% off for $5, this thing is awesome. It is about almost 3 times the size of the little scraper. So when you have a lot of different materials, you know, when you're doing your cutting and you have all those little pieces left behind, this is going to save you so much time scraping all that stuff off of your mat. So that is something that I highly recommend. If you don't own the extra large scraper, you need to grab one of those. And then, of course, I really love the Cricut weeding tool set because it has a couple of extra weeding features, I guess. So there's a bunch of different tools in the set, but there's a tool in here that I absolutely love for weeding that has an extra little pin hook on the end of it that makes it fabulous for weeding iron-on. I'm telling you, it's awesome. And then also the little pointed weeding tool, they're tweezers. Those are great for when you have those little tiny pieces that you've got to pick up. Those fine tip tweezers are fabulous. Okay. And there's some other things on sale here too. I'm not going to bore you with all that. I do like the this applicator in the remover set is what they call it. This is a brayer, okay? So it's great for helping get your materials down on your mat. It's primarily for when you're using the pink fabric mat so that you can, really press your fabric down onto that mat. And the little applicator tool is to help you remove materials off of your mat with those fabric mats so that you don't get oil on them, because that degrades the adhesive on the pink mat. So this, if you don't already own this is something you might want to consider getting at 50% off. Okay, let's take a look at, tools. A bunch of the pins are on sale. You guys can look at that. But what I wanted to show you was all of the cutting materials are on sale for 50% off. So all the vinyl, including the new premium vinyl that's removable and permanent. This stuff is fabulous. It weeds great. Cuts perfectly. All the iron-on is on sale, so if you're looking to do a bunch of iron-on projects over the summer, now's the time to stock up on that. All the paper products are also on sale for 50% off, so you can really stock up on some of the scrapbooking paper, the poster board, that sparkle and shimmer paper that you guys know that I love so much, the cardstock. Now's a great time to get some of those things to play with. That craft board is awesome for making 3D objects and projects. And then, of course, the other types of cutting materials, the craft foam, the leather, felt. Now's the time. The Cricut felt is really nice to cut and work with. But the leather, the Cricut genuine leather is on sale for 50% off. So if you've been wanting to make a real leather project, now's a great time to go grab some of those. All the printable materials, all of those things are 50% off. So that gives you a good overview of a lot of things that are on sale. Not everything's on sale, so just look and see. If you have Cricut Access membership, when you go to Cricut.com using my link that you'll find in the video description, you'll see the 50% off sale price. But then when you go to check out, you'll see these other discounts applied. Don't forget to use SMQD, the promo code, to get an extra 10% off plus free economy shipping. Using my link really helps me, so I appreciate you doing that. And let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys have a lot of fun shopping. I love to shop in the Cricut shop. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.